Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to check account balance on ANZ. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to check your account balance on ANZ Bank. The first thing to do is to go to the official ANZ Bank website by entering www.anz.com in your browser. Then click on Login at the top right corner. Enter your customer ID and password, then click Login to access your account dashboard. After logging in, you will be directed to your account dashboard. So look for the Account or Account Overview tab, typically displayed in the main menu or home page. Under the Account section, you'll see a list of your accounts, example checking, savings, credit card, etc. Your current balance and available balance will be displayed next to each account. Now, if you need a detailed view of transactions, click on the specific account to open a full statement where you can view recent transactions, pending items, and other details. Now, once you have checked your balance, you can click Log Out at the top right corner to securely end your section. And that's how you will be able to check your account balance on the ANZ Bank app or the Bank web app. So just know that, of course, people check account balances for different purposes. You may just need to know how much you have just to make transactions. Or let's say after making a transaction, you see that you were debited illegally or some kind of amount of money left and you could not be able to, trace it. So checking the account balance will definitely help you with that. So do not forget the process. Just go ahead and click on account or account overview. And under the section, you see a list of your accounts. Just know that your current balance and available balance will be displayed, and it's always displayed next to each account. So you don't have to go through the process of trying to check it through any other means. Go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.